Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get a music bot on Discord. First, open Discord, then open web browser. Here, search for top.gg. Click on the first link. Here you need to provide your human identity first. Once you are here, go to the search bar, then search for Greenbot. Now tap to open it. Simply tap on the invite button. From the window that opens, select the server. Tap on Continue. Then click on Authorize. After doing so, you need to provide human verification. As you can see, this bot has been authorized and added to the server. Open Discord. Here, the Greenbot is added. Now type in /help in the message box. Hit the Enter button. A help menu is displayed. Next, type /play. This time you need to provide a playlist name. So, I'm typing Gosplan by Drake. Once you enter the Confirm button, you will see a notification. Here, a server must be connected to live voice channel. So again, I'm selecting the /play command. Enter your query, which is essentially your playlist. Now, in order to stop the music, enter /finish in the text bar here. Doing so, you can get a music bot on Discord. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.